Am I crazy? I have almost 200 smartphones, from flagships, mid-rangers, to foldables. And there's one phone that I pick up that satisfied me. I must be in a sunken place, right? Because everyone would tell me that the LG V60 is no longer a relevant device. I totally disagree. Let me explain. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the LG V60 is a device that I have full confidence in to complete almost all the smartphone's needs that I like, right? Let me explain why the LG V60 is such a special device to me and why I keep going back to the LG V60. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So look, I know the deal. LG mobile department is closed and there's no more LG phones coming out. And I know that the LG V60 got limited support. It has 2020 specs, so it's not the latest and greatest. But you know what? I love the LG V60. I know that the LG V60 is an old device to some people, right? But I always come back to the LG V60. But why? Why do I always come back to the LG V60? Look, the LG V60 is one of the best devices to me, period. It has about 90% of everything that I need to be a perfect device. So why, Eric? Why am I so hooked on the LG V60? Knowing I made a video about my best device for 2021 is the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So why the LG V60, Eric? Well, the question is, what does the LG V60 can't do, right? Tell me what this device can't do. And that's the whole thing. So when you look at the design of the device, it's one of the best design devices that I have in my collection. It's a beautiful, classy looking feel device. And look, no one on the planet can hold an LG V60 and say that this phone is cheap. No way, no way. Next, the display. Look, it's not a 120 Hz display. It's not even a 90 Hz display, but it's something about this display that has me hooked. Just look at the display, right? It's beautiful, vivid colors, deep blacks. Watching movies, reading text is extraordinary on the LG V60. Not only that, but it's huge, right? 6.8-inch pure OLED display here. I mean, it's a beautiful display. This is one of the things that I like about this LG device, right? Not only that, but I mean, it's a beautiful, gorgeous display device. Next, let's talk about performance. Look, there's nothing that I can throw at the LG V60 that bogs it down. Playing games, opening up apps, it's a breeze on this device. Look, when it comes down to performance, it's no issues with the LG V60. You know why? Because it has a Snapdragon 865 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. So this is a flagship chipset that's in this device and is among the best when it comes down to performance. The LG V60 has features that some current device doesn't have. Let me run it down to you. The LG V60 is a high-performing device that has 128 gigs of storage, SD card support. This device has a dual screen with dual screen support, and it works great. The LG V60 has a headphone jack with a quad DAC for high-end audio. Next, the LG V60 got dual speakers that sound really good. Next, the LG V60 has pen support and pen software, which is next level, and it works very good. Next, one of my favorites, the LG V60 cameras. Let me break this down. Look, the LG V60 is the benchmark of how cameras supposed to be. One of the best. Look, Pro mode on this device is next to none. Best on the market with Pro Audio. Top notch. Look, the stills on this device is really good. It can rival devices today. Plus, the LG V60 has 8K recordings. Now, you know, now phones don't even have 8K recording. The LG V60 does. Look, LG put everything in the kitchen sink in the LG V60. And you know what? Putting icing on the cake, the LG V60 can be bought now under $300. Now that's insane. under $300 for all the stuff that you get with this device. That's not including the dual display, but the device itself for under $300. So when I pick up the LG V60, I feel comfortable. If I want to use this device as my daily driver, I have no problems using the LG V60 as my daily driver. Look, I know that the LG V60 is going to be fast enough to get the job done. I know with the pen support, if I need to get work done with the software that's included with the LG V60, I know that it's top notch. It will get the job done. Look, sometimes you have to put aside of what you hear on the internet. People saying that this device is old, it doesn't have the latest processor with 50 gigs of RAM. You got to put that aside. You got to stop listening to what people say. You have to think about who the people you follow. Look, I look at this device, it can do everything that I need it to do. I mean, it does almost everything that a smartphone at this form factor, at this price point can do. It's one thing that I wish the LG V60 had, one thing, and that's external desktop support. Look, the LG desktop support here is not that great. I am a huge Samsung DeX fan, right? I use that software all the time. This is why I always carry around Samsung devices. It's not because of the hardware. It's not because of the cameras. It's because of Samsung software. It's one of the reasons why I hold on to my Samsung devices. And it's, you know what's so crazy? That's my only complaint about the LG V60. Look, I don't care that the LG V60 doesn't have a 120 Hz display. Look, I don't care about all that. The display here is really good. Look, I don't care that the dual display is big and bulky with a huge crease down the middle. It's functional with great multitasking. That's what it's for. So it works great for me. Look, this is why I love the LG V60. This is why I love keep going back to the LG V60. I love this device. I review a lot of phones, right? And look, I know that the LG V60 probably won't get support after 2022, but at the price point, who cares? This device is on Android 11 and it will probably get Android 12, which is extraordinary. For under 300 bucks, you get a true and true flagship. So look, at the price point, I don't care about a lot of those things. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Am I crazy for loving the LG V60, or should I just get over it? Let me know down in the comments below. Am I crazy for loving the LG V60? It's a fantastic device. And every time I review a device, I always seem to go back to the LG V60. Why? Let me know down in the comments. I just love this device. It does everything that a slab phone can do, and it has things that's better. Not only that, but at the price point that you can get the LG V60 today, why even buy a mid-range device? Might as well get a true flagship that will get the job done. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.